Okay, hello, welcome to this video. And in today's video, we're going to learn how to um, make forms in HTML. All right, so now to start a form, so we click use the form tag, form, then now I'm going to call the label. So let's look at the label should be L name, first name rather. So label is equal to label for equal to first name, F name, and F name is called first name. All right. So I'm gonna break line. So the next follows from after this. Now the next line we're going to have our input. The input tag is used to collect data. So type equal to text. So ID equal to F name and name equal F name too. So we close and then yeah. Okay, next will be the label for the last name. All right. So we'll call it last name. All right. All right, input to be type equal text and then ID equal last name, then name equal last name too. All right, that's all we need. So let's go run this. Oh yeah, this J. So we have a first name and a last name. First name is Roland. Oh, is reflection. So I think we have to stop that. So let's extend it. Okay. First name is Roland. Last name is Onyekwere. All right, when you hit the enter button. All right, so we need a button that says send, and to do that we have to create a button that says send. So we have to display a button that's going to say send or submit. All right, so let's quickly design one. So I'm going to say break line. So, all right, now I have my first name and my last name. So what I'm going to do is just to put an input button. So So I'm going to say input type equal to, I'm going to say submit, and value is submit. And then I'll close that. So all right. So now, oh, I need some slight distance right there. So I'm going to put another break line here. Okay. So, all right. Roland query, and this says submit. Okay. I'm just going to remove all this right here. Oh. All right, it says Roland. When I click submit, it then turns it in. All right. So that's all for the form in HTML. So that's how we make form in HTML. And I would like you to go ahead and try out so many of them. It's quite fun doing most of this stuff. So in the next, we'll look at, in subsequent videos, we'll look at how to style this font very well with CSS. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content. Please hit the notification button as we keep you posted. Thank you.